Today I will show you how to fix Instagram Live option not showing up problem. Let's start. First solution is to completely uninstall and reinstall Instagram. To do this, open Settings. After opening Settings, click Apps and then Manage Apps. Type Instagram in the search bar. After doing this, click Storage. Here we need to click Clear Data and then Clear All Data. After doing this, press OK to continue. We've cleared Instagram's data. Now we can uninstall Instagram. To do this, press and hold Instagram and click Uninstall. Click Uninstall again to continue. We've uninstalled Instagram. To reinstall it, open Play Store. After opening Play Store, click Search at the bottom and type Instagram in the search bar. After doing this, click Install and wait for Instagram to install. We've installed Instagram. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem isn't solved, we'll move to the second solution. Second solution is changing the account type. To do this, we open Instagram and click on our profile in the bottom right. After clicking our profile, click the three horizontal lines in the top right. Scroll down and go to For Professionals. After doing this, click Account Type and Tools. Click Switch to Professional Account. Click Next and continue. After doing this, click Switch to Professional Account. Click Next again. We've changed our account type. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we'll move to the third solution. Third solution is restarting our phone. Restarting can help solve these types of problems. After restarting your phone, you can check whether the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.